everyone, so today's video is going to be a luxury collective haul. So this is going to be a mix of some homeware pieces and also a couple of fashion pieces. Now I didn't go out and buy all of this in one go, but I thought I would kind of show it in this video just because there's a few pieces that I absolutely love, and sometimes in my fashion videos I don't always get the chance to show you these pieces, especially the homeware stuff. So I thought I would do a separate video for those of you who also like this kind of thing as well. So yeah, I've shown a little bit of it on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I'll leave it somewhere around on this video now. But yeah, I just thought it'd be nice to do a bit of a sit down video and kind of show you and kind of talk about them as well. So let's just get straight into the haul. So the first thing I have to show you are these amazing cushions. You might call them pillows, cushions, I don't know. I always seem to call them cushions. I saw one of these in the London store and I absolutely loved it. I really wanted to add a little bit of colour into our living room because it's kind of a mix of black and greys and I guess maybe a little bit of white in there, which I absolutely love, but I think it's also great to add a little bit of colour in where you can, in like accessories and things. And I saw this, and obviously Hermes is known for their orange, and I absolutely loved this, you know, this orange cushion. I've never really seen them too much, to be honest. I don't really go to the Hermes store that often because where I live is so far away from it. And if I do go, sometimes I'll go on holiday and you can't bring stuff like this home with you. But I saw this and I thought, I love that, and imagine how nice it would be with the greys and the blacks and everything. So I asked if they had one of these because there was only one on the side, and there was a navy blue one as well. So I said, do you maybe have two of these? Because I would love to, you know, to put one on each sofa because we have two sofas and they face into each other. I will try and insert some clips of what these look like actually on the sofas and how they're kind of styled with the living room. But yeah, so I was so happy because there was another one in the store as well. And when I was in the store deciding, someone came up to me and said you should definitely go for them because they can sometimes be like quite a sought after item. And of course the H is just so iconic, so yeah, I thought these would be two great cushions to have in the living room. So whilst we was also in the store, we was actually looking for a blanket as well. We know when you're watching TV and you just want to get cozied up, it's such a nice kind of thing to have a blanket to get wrapped up in. We've got a few already, but we really wanted a blanket that was like really high quality, that would really keep you warm, and yeah, just a nice kind of luxurious blanket to have also kind of over the sofa and stuff as well. So we picked this one out. I did originally want a H1. I think I may get one of those in the future because I do absolutely love them, but I saw this design and thought it was so nice, and I love the colour spectrum on this. So it's kind of a mix of the I would call it like a denim blue colour mixed with kind of darker blue shades and then grey. So I didn't know if this was going to work in our living room, but I thought I would kind of take a risk, and I actually really do think it works. Again, it's a great way to add a bit of colour, you know, into your room, over your sofa, and it actually does work really well with the orange and the black and the grey in the room as well. But it's got such a lovely design on the front. I just thought it was a little bit different, a bit more unique, and yeah, just a really nice piece to you know, again, to kind of dress up your living room or even at the end of your bed or anything like that. So this next piece I have to show you is also a homeware item. Now when we was in Harrods, we was looking around at the homeware section because I absolutely love going in there, even just for a bit of inspiration of how they style things, you know, what the kind of homeware trends are going to be, you know, over the next year or two, because I just feel like homeware trends, they stay in fashion for such a long amount of time. So something you picked maybe 2 years ago is still kind of relevant now. So I absolutely love going in there and just kind of seeing, you know, how everything's styled. And I came across this section in Harrods, which was the Ginori section. I hope I've said that right. I think it's pronounced Ginori. I don't know, but yeah, everything is made in Italy, and I absolutely loved some of the designs on, you know, their pieces. It was a lot of kind of small kind of decorative objects. They had a vase which was absolutely amazing, decorative plates. I think they may have had like some bowls and things like that, which obviously you could use, or you could use to kind of decorate around the home. And they actually did a collaboration with Luke Edward Hall. Now, I'm not going to sit here and pretend I know loads of stuff about art and everything he's done, because I don't. I just saw the design on this and I absolutely loved it. Again, I just thought it was such a nice way to add a bit of personality into the room, because this has also gone into our living room. I bought it and I wasn't really sure where I was going to put it. I thought maybe I would put it in this room, but I still feel like it works really well in the living room. And we also bought some little kind of, I don't know what the word is, I guess display stands to stand our kind of Limoges style plates on, which works so well rather than having them flat. I think it's really nice to have them stood up on the stands just so that you see it and it's almost like a piece of art instead. I really wanted to show you the box that it came in first because I absolutely love the colours. So yeah, it just says Ginori and it's got this lovely Greco print all along the sides of it. So this is what the display tray looks like. I just loved the colours so much and how they contrast. I definitely think it's a love or hate piece. I don't think everyone is going to love this. But personally I just really love it and I just thought it added a little bit more fun into the room. So the next couple of pieces I have to show you are more fashion pieces now. So I purchased a pair of sunglasses from Fendi. Now I went to Selfridges. I was looking for a pair of sunglasses that I saw Georgina wear on, I think it's I Am Georgina or something like that on Netflix. I absolutely love her style and everything, and I saw she had a pair of these kind of thin cat eye style sunglasses and I absolutely loved them. I'm not someone who buys a lot of sunglasses, but when I saw those I thought, oh, I absolutely love those styles. I'll know I'll wear them so much. So I kind of showed someone in Selfridges a photo of what they looked like, and I think they were quite old. I think they might have been from 2019, maybe 2020. So yeah, I don't think they did the exact ones anymore. I think they're Chanel, but I'm not sure. So I think these are called the Fendi Way cat eye sunglasses. They did them in other colours too. There was a tortoiseshell and a white pair, I think. Yes, they were the white pair from Fendi. Maybe a slightly different variation of style. I tried them on, I couldn't decide, but I went for a black pair just because all of my other sunglasses, so my Celine and my Ray-Ban ones, they're kind of brown tortoiseshell colours. So I really wanted a black pair just to kind of mix it up as well. They have a little bit of a cutout detail on the side, which just makes them a little bit more unique, and the white kind of Fendi bits at the bottom. And yeah, I just love the style of these. You kind of just wear them a little bit off your, you know, your nose like that. I just think they look so cool, so trendy. I just know I'm gonna wear these so much. I've worn them so much already in so many of my little TikToks and videos on Instagram and stuff. So yeah, again, definitely recommend these if you're looking for a pair of like trendy sunglasses, you want something a bit different. Yeah, really love these. So the next piece I have to show you, I was in flannels and I was just looking around and I saw this t-shirt. I think when you're blonde, it's so hard to find the perfect shade of pink, at least for me anyway. There's only a certain shade I like, and it's definitely this shade. So I saw this and I just thought it looked amazing. The only thing was it looked so small. I think it was so small just because of all of Jack Moose's pieces are quite fitted and tight to the body, but I really like kind of loose fitting things. So I thought maybe if I go a few sizes up, I'll get the fit that I want. So yeah, it was absolutely tiny. So I went for an extra large, which was a size 16. So if you are going for a top like this, definitely go a few sizes up to get that really kind of more relaxed fit. I'll insert some photos and things of what it looks like on. So they've actually called this a dark pink, but I wouldn't call it a dark pink. I would say it's more of a, you know, bold hot pink shade. I just think you could style this so many different ways, because the pink is such a trending colour at the moment, along with the green. So you could style it with, you know, a white skirt, blue jeans, you know, tucked into blue jeans, maybe even black too. I was really pleased with this if you're looking for a cool t-shirt just to kind of have as an everyday piece in your wardrobe. So then the next piece I have to show you is this cardigan from Sleeper. So I originally was looking for any kind of blazer, preferably like a boxy blazer with feather cuffs on the ends, or, you know, at the bottom of the blazer and things like that, but I couldn't find a piece that I thought looked really kind of high quality. and that would just be a nice piece that I could also wear as an everyday piece as well. And then I come across this cardigan from Sleeper. Now I've not heard of Sleeper the brand before, but I absolutely love their design so much. They make such nice pajamas. But I love the fact that this has the feather cuffs on the bottom and then the pearl button detail all along the middle. I just thought it was so cute, and you could style it so many different ways. Again, blue jeans, black leather trousers, just black trousers, leggings, so many options with this cardigan. And also the feather detail is detachable, so you don't have to have these feathers on the end. You can remove it, which would be especially good when you're washing the piece, just so, you know, the feathers don't get damaged and ruined. Because that was one thing I did think about, how am I going to wash it with the feathers on the bottom? But yeah, because you can remove that with the buttons, it's so easy. But yeah, I just absolutely love this piece, and I feel like I would style it so many different ways. It's such a classy piece. You could also style it with, you know, mum jeans and a pair of heels as more of an evening look too. There's just so many options, but it just feels so nice on, and it actually feels a little bit structured because of the quality of it. The quality is really nice. It's not a thin cardigan or anything like that. You could just wear this on its own, or you could wear, you know, a cami or something underneath it as well. But I just thought it was such a nice girly piece to have in my wardrobe. But that is it. I really hope you enjoyed my haul video. Let me know if you'd like to see more videos like this with some homeware pieces and things as well, because I absolutely love homeware. I just don't feel like I speak about homeware enough on my channel, but it's such a, you know, a big passion of mine. I absolutely love, you know, designing and things like that. So yeah, let me know if you want to see anything else like this as well. Have a great day, and I will speak to you all in my next video. Bye guys.